Say something about your mother.
My mother name is Nakshi Chaudhary, and she makes tasty food. She stitches my clothes and my sister's clothes.
Are you closer to your father or your mother?
I am closer to my father because he scolded me.
Very rarely. Mother scolds more. Okay. Say about your friends also.
My best friend name is Anja Kulkarnek. She is my classmate. She speaks Hindi or English both. She is so talented, and we study together and play also.
What about your friends? Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Bianchi Satya because he is my neighbor also.
She is my neighbor.
She is my neighbor.
What about your best friend?
My best friend name is Khushbu Chauhan. She is my classmate and also my neighbor. I like him very much. He is very good nature.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Vanshika Rathod. She is good nature. She helped in many
In
maths problems.
maths problem. Her maths is good.
Yes.
Okay, good. In which school do you study?
I study Creative Mind Global,
Okay. In which class do you study?
class 10.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Himanshu Bagdi. He is very good nature and he is the topper of the class. And
Does he study with you?
yes,
In which class does he study?
8th class.
He studies in
8th
8th class. You also study in Creative Minds?
No sir.
Where do you study?
Kendriya Vidyalaya number
Okay. What does your father do?
My father do PMP.
My father does job in MPB. Yes. What about? Say something about your mother.
My mother is very nice and she cook is very tasty. And she helping my study.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Nebelita Das.
Okay, good. Take care. What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby are dancing.
My hobby is
My
dancing.
hobby is dancing.
Very good. What about you? What is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing and singing.
Okay, very good. In which school do you study?
My school name is Sacred Flower School.
Say something about your school.
There are many classes in my school.
Speak loudly.
There are many classes in my school and many teachers.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 3rd.
Who is your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Darshini.
What does she teach?
She
She teaches.
teaches I don't know.
What do you want to become?
I become a teacher.
I want to become a.
I want to become a teacher.
Very good. Like me. Yes. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ayush. He is my classmate.
Say something about your mother.
My mother name is Janani Devi. She is housewife. She is like me.
She is.
She is like me.
Say something about your father.
My father name is Deep Kumar Sharma. He is army officer.
Where is he posted?
My father posted
In which city?
Jammu.
In Jammu. Very good.
हम लोग
Who
भी
is
जाएंगे।
who is your best friend?
My best friend is Devi Srivastava. He is taking sixth B Bhavya Srivastava is not my classmate.
He studies
He studies
in her class.
in 6th.
Class 6, okay. What do you want to become?
I want to become car showroom manager.
Hmm?
Car showroom manager.
What should we do for good health?
We should eat healthy food. We should drink vegetables. We should drink milk.
Insan studying. Okay, yes. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ayush Chhabra. He is studying 8th and he helps in my study. And
What do you want to become?
I become a doctor.
I want to become a.
I want to become a doctor because
I want to help.
I want to help patients.
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is cycling and football playing.
What is your name? What is your father's name? My father's name is. What is your mother's name? पूरा बोलो. My mother's name is. Don't talk.
Yamuna Chauhan.
In which class do you study? I study.
I study in 4th class.
Yes. Who are your friends and who is your best friend?
I have many friends, but my best friend is Ayushi Jain. He is near my house.
She.
She is near my house. And she is in my class. We are play together and we are study together.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Can you swim?
No.
Do you want to learn swimming?
Yes, I want to learn swimming.
What about you? Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Who can swim? From where did you learn swimming? From where did you learn swimming?
In my Saturday camp, I go to months and I learn.
Swimming. Yes. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak.
How many languages can you speak?
I speak 3 languages: Hindi, English, and my local language.
Can you ride a bicycle?
No, I cannot ride.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
What is your name?
Yes, Raj.
My name is Purabalo. What is your father's name?
My father name is Susan Kumar.
Say about your friends. Who are your friends? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Vashu, Shailen, and Kanva. I like them. They are very helpful.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is doctor.
What do you want to become? था वो है ना? Hobby अलग है ना? बोलो. What do you want to become? I want to become. I want to become a doctor. ठीक है. Should we read newspaper?
Yes, we should read newspaper
Why should we read newspaper?
because newspaper is knowledgeable for our.
They increase our knowledge. Yeah. ठीक है. Should we watch TV?
We should not watch TV, but we should watch TV for half an hour.
Okay. Yes. Say something about you. Huh?
My name is Manav. I am 14 years old.
Say something about your family. How many members are there in your family? Your father, about him.
My family has 13 members. father, my brother, my uncle, my aunt, my grandmother, my grandfather, my brother. Sister.
What does your father do?
My father do a job in office factory.
In Open Factory. Yes. Say something about your school.
My school name is Kamal Convent Senior Secondary School. I study in the 9th class. It's a very big school. It is very famous in our local area.
How many students are there in your class?
54.
There are 54 students. So do you think strength is unlimited or more than necessary? Or is it okay? It's okay. Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Navya.
What is your mother's name?
Rashmi Chauhan.
What does she do?
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher. Where does she teach?
Javed.
She teaches in Jawad Government School. What is your hobby?
Study.
Your hobby is study. Which is your favorite subject? They are laughing. Which is your favorite subject?
Max.
Okay, good. Introduce yourself. Say something about you. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your name?
My name is Sivam.
Where do you live?
I live Amma.
I live in.
Amma.
In which class do you study? Bola. I study.
I study in class 11.
What is your school name?
My school is Brad Theatre 10.
Who is your best friend? I heard say na. I heard no best friend. Okay. Who is your favorite teacher? Speak loudly, huh? Check. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Reading. Very good. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What do you want to become? Loud bolo na. I want to become.
I want to become Einstein.
Very good. Say something about your school.
My school is MBA
Loud bolo. It's a very big school. Who is your class teacher? Yes, say something about you. What is your name?
My name is Isra.
What do you do? Do you study? In which class do you? What is your qualification? In which class do you study?
I'm 10th class. I'm studying in 10th class.
Okay. What is your future planning? What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
What is your name?
I am also
Where do you live? I live in. कहाँ रहते हैं? In Neemuch. I live in Neemuch. Okay. In which class do you study?
third year.
You study in third year. In which college do you study? PG college. No? Yes. What about you? Who are your friends and who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jivisha. She is a kind teacher. They support us.
Say something about your school.
My school name is Karma College Senior Secondary School.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a
Now speak. Anybody can speak. Can you play chess? Can you ride a bicycle? I can ride a bicycle. Can you speak English? Should we learn English? Yes, we should learn English. Why should we learn English?
English because it is my course and it is an international language.
Should we cut trees? Should we cut trees? No, we should not cut trees. Why should we not cut trees?
Because it is harmful for our environment, because trees give us oxygen and other useful things, but so we not need to cut trees.
Cut trees, very good. Should we plant trees? Yes, we should plant trees. Should we learn computer? Yes, we should learn computer. Why should we learn computer?
Because computer is very important in our life. In the modern day, everything is done by computer.
Okay. Should we use mobile? Mobile has more advantages or disadvantages? Mobile has more advantages or disadvantages? Mobile has more advantages. Mobile has more disadvantages. है ना? Mobile has more disadvantages, so we should use carefully. We should use our. ठीक है.